Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering credentials and granting access. Connect details matter: host, port, database, user, and password or key. Once done, enable the Google Sheets API in Google Cloud and create OAuth client or service account keys. Make sure to download JSON. Share the spreadsheet with the service account email or prepare the OAuth consent screen for users. This avoids permission failures later. With credentials ready and the target sheet open, you're ready to move into building the live link. Now build the connector and define how data flows. If you choose App Script, open extensions App Script and write code to authenticate, read rows, and post to the database API or cloud function. For Data Connector or ETL, follow the tool's steps to authorize and select source/destination. Map each column to the correct database field and set types to prevent cast errors, and configure batching and rate limits. Once mapped and tested on a small sample, prepare to automate the sync. Finally, automate and validate the integration. Create a time-driven trigger in App Script or schedule the ETL job to run at your chosen interval, and run a full test with a small dataset to verify inserts, updates, and deletions. Make sure transactional behavior and primary keys behave as expected. Review logs for SQL errors. If something goes wrong, start by checking permissions and service account access. Then verify schema mismatches and API rate limits. These are the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.